So I pull up in a jag and I hit him with the jab like dun 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 dun.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe, and if you're not new, welcome back. So as you can see, we have a hairstyle, very interesting hairstyle, a hairstyle that's not like me, because you know I'm a bust down side part flip over type of gal. Shout out to Wiggins for sponsoring today's video. They sent over this wig and it's very different. I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit because this wig literally took like 2 minutes to install. I didn't have to cut the lace, I didn't have to bleach the knots, I didn't have to style, I did not have to glue, I did not have to do anything. I know I always say that, but like this didn't require anything, and it came pre-styled. So this wig is from Wiggins. Like I said, all the information will be down in the description box below for you if you're interested in this. So this wig came pre-styled. So this hairstyle I did not do. You guys know I don't know how to braid. So it came with this half up, half down with the little pigtails. It's very fun, very cute, very playful, okay? Then it came with crimps as well, and I love these kind of crimps because they're like fluffy. I don't like super crimps. I like fluffy crimps. And then it came with the lace pre-cut. So I did not cut this. I did not pluck this. I did not do anything, baby. All I had to do was put the wig on. Of course, you can take this style off and wear your wig as you know you normally would, but this is just something, I guess, you know, to switch it up, something new straight out the box. So if you are interested in this wig, make sure you guys are clicking the description box. It will take you right there to make your purchase. I think this wig is going to be perfect for the summer because it's super light and you don't have to glue it or anything like that. Speaking of glue, so they sent over this lace tape. This is like OG. This is like what everybody used to use when wigs first came out, like back in the day, but we've obviously evolved since then. But I was able to use these on the tabs so that they don't lift up, and then that way I don't have to, I don't want to pull too much now, but that way I don't have to use any spray or anything. I did use a little bit of spray at the top just so that it wouldn't like lift and be talking to anybody, but literally I just took it on my finger and pressed it, and that was it. You could also use the tape in the front, but I didn't want to do that. I just did it on the side like you guys will see in the rest of the video. So these are amazing, and you guys see these, what, like one strip is actually equivalent to like 4, and you can cut them and customize them. They're really cool. They are a little sticky, a little hard to work with, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be fine. You have plenty to work with. All right, and now you guys are gonna see how quick this install was and more thoughts on this wig, so keep watching. All right, so this is what I was looking like before, real crusty, dusty, and we're about to get it together. So this is the wig straight out the box. I'm showing you guys the style up close. It's like a little 2 pigtail braided moment. The lace came cut. I did not have to bleach any knots. It came pre-bleached, and this frontal is actually a full 13x4, so you can part this wig anywhere, and it is constructed to be worn glueless. So and it came pre-styled, so the crimps came in there. It's nice and full and fluffy and wavy. I love the texture. So I'm just applying the wig, and as you can see, it's literally ready to wear. I mean, the video was so short, I wanted to give you guys more, but this was all I had. So they also sent over these like the lace tape. So this is for the ear tabs because this is a glueless frontal. You guys know typically the glueless wigs that are promoted are more so closures, but this is a frontal, so it is recommended to put this on the ear tabs, especially if you don't like to wear like the spray or mess with any glue or anything like that. Just use this, but these are a little tricky, so just take your time and use them. And the next clip, I'm actually going to show you guys the easier way. I think you're supposed to like peel off the white part so that it's nice and smooth, but the tape really works, and it does not stay shiny. Once it's like applied and everything swooped and duped, you don't see anything underneath. They're actually perfect. I don't know why I don't use them more. I should. These are a little bit better than wearing adhesives because it doesn't add buildup to your lace, which makes it actually wearable every day. Because whenever you have like spray or any kind of glue or gel or whatever we use to lay down our wigs, it's literally buildup on the wig every single day. With this, all you have to do is peel the tape off and then put a new one on, and you're good to go. So now I'm just putting a little makeup on the lace. I put some in the parts too, but it started looking real crazy, so I just stopped. And I'm adding some mousse to swoop the baby hairs. It did come with baby hairs too. I did not cut these baby hairs or apply them there. That's just how they came. And then I added a little bit of spray and a little bit of mousse to the front so that my lace wouldn't be talking in the front because it was a little bit too big for me. And that was it, you guys. I did my makeup off camera. This is the final look. I don't know why I was feeling green, but it's very cute. So make sure you guys check out the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.